difference is a preference of the far left, which portray everyone else as far right. Corbyn's poo tastes adorable, and if you dispute that, you are known as far right. John's been sniffing glue. He gets frustrated that there aren't enough immigrants. They love a bit of it. Far right. Who's that gut lord marching? You should cut down on your pork life, mate. Get some exercise. All the people, all the white people, and they all get slandered and branded as being on the far right. I get up when I want, except when there's a call to prayer at the local mosque. Far right. I put my trousers on, I go on Facebook and I complain about the noise. Far right. I feed the trolls, I sometimes feed the feminists too. It gives me a sense of enormous well-being. Far right. And then I'm happy for the rest of the day, safe in the knowledge that a social justice warrior has been triggered. All the people, all the white people, and they all get slandered and branded as being on the far right. Far right, far right, far right, far right. It's got nothing to do with supporting free speech, you know. Far right, far or mocking fallacious feminist arguments that go round and round and round. Far right. All the people, all the white people, and they